friends, this is Renee from Little Village Homestead, and today I want something sweet, and it's hot, and I thought, what a better day than to have a nice cold Mocha Frappe. So hang on, I'll be right back and I'll show you how you can make it right in your own kitchen. Hey friends, I am back, and this is an easy, nice, sweet treat. So, I got my blender out, and you're going to want to brew some coffee, or you can use instant, whatever you choose, but just plain black coffee. And I've got 1 cup, and it's cold. I let it cool off. So I'm going to pour that in there. That's 1 cup of black coffee. And then I'm going to put 1/4 cup of chocolate syrup in with that. Okay? So I got that. And I am going to want to put 1 tablespoon of honey. You can use pretty much any sweetener you want. Even if you want to use sugar, you can use that too. But I'm using honey because that's the best. And then I've got another cup of regular whole milk. Now you can use any kind of that too. You can use 2% skim milk. You can even use almond milk. And I have to get some ice. I forgot my ice. I'm always forgetting something. Good Lord. Okay. I'm going to put about 6-8 nice big ice cubes in here. That's what's going to make it all frothy and wonderful. Okay, so with that, I'm going to turn my blender. It's going to get loud. And I'm going to turn my blender. It's got to mix up a little more, and I want a little more ice in there. All right. All right, that should be pretty good. Ooh, that looks wonderful. I am going to fill my cup up. That's my cup my friend gave me. How wonderful. Okay, with that, I'm going to put a nice dollop of Cool Whip on this. Nice big dollop of Cool Whip. And then just a little bit of syrup drizzled on top of that. And there you have it, friends. How wonderful is that? I'm going to get a straw and I'm going to try it. Awesome. It's good. That is really good. You have to try that. You're going to love it. There you go. I'm going to go enjoy my nice cool treat. Thanks for watching.